They say that he's lost his light and his pure soul, that this dark world turned his heart cold. Is there a place that he can call home?
Lord, have mercy on his soul. He hates diamonds and gold, but he does love stones. Love stones. And plus I see him running after me. He claimed that the devil helped me create the masterpiece. It sounds like they want me to apologize for getting off the boat and being colonized. Well, my man, thank you for the favor. I'll try loving this dude who hates being my neighbor. They wanna label me insane cause they gave me a canvas, but I'm sketching out the frame, bruh. Well, we should be building up a fellowship. Instead of building, he tears it down so he can throw the bricks. I need to break out this container, an idiot box, yeah, so watch me entertain ya. I heard they changed the manger to a hotel, so now the outcasts have no place to go dwell. Well, they say the devil's in the beat. They say the devil's in the town. Yeah, they say the devil's in my rhymes. They say the devil's in my song. Yeah. They say the devil's in it. They say the devil's in it. Yeah. They say the devil's in it. They say the devil's in it.
I hear the screams of people saying he's gotta be Illuminati or some secret society. Possibly got demons inside of him. Evil probably harvesting his artistry. Possessed, kept under an evil, like he can only be kept under the steeple. Cause in his eyes all I see is Satan, a beast that's raging. Jesus save him. Man, all of that is what I'm hearing, but I don't say nada, I just hold up a mirror so they'll see their reflection with clarity. So tell me, is that perfection a Pharisee? Label me a hypocrite, say I teach them wickedness, cancels each other out, that's common sense arithmetic. Too quick to assess me as Judas. Know the streets fruit is always where the proof is. I hear the devil in the beat. I hear the devil in his tone. I hear the devil in his rhymes. I hear the devil in his songs. I hear the devil in him. I hear the devil in him. I hear the devil in him. I hear the devil in him.
Under the night, the moon and the stars, they're watching his steps. He's traveled too far, although he often falls, he continues to run. He seems to have strength that is foreign to some. Under the night, the moon and the stars, they're watching his steps. He's traveled too far, although he often falls, he continues to run. He seems to have strength that is foreign to some. That is foreign to some. That is foreign to some. Inherited from his heritage, appearing his arrogance is the bed he's nestled in, covered by his lineage. Thoughts are just a narrative, never mind the fears that they appear as heretics. Yeah, he hates left field, he knows what right is, he just hates how left feels. A casualty to normalities, and change is unbearable, so he'd rather just settle to carry stones.
This is the story of a sojourner who was found in embassy on foreign soil. The onlookers don't recognize his pedigree, so their natural response is xenophobia. He's exhausted and weak due to the constant defense of his intentions. Never before has their ignorance led to violence, but that was before, and this is the current situation. The nonsensical mob has encircled his home, and after hurling stones, he says,
You don't see them broken windows? They threw me to the fire, then they threw the brimstone. All of this cause I suck at playing limbo, bending over backwards to people please them folk. When I'm supposed to tiptoe all around they lost folk. for. You are not my judge or my lawyer. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for godly rebuke that moves us forward. Agenda-driven wisdom, it often leads to slaughter. So I take my orders from the one who's sovereign, author of faith, the author of grace, grace that sustains when the bark of the talkers. I say I'm walking all for awkward. I'll be planting seeds to them things growing pollen in the garden. All them, either Eden or Olive or Madison Square. Allen in there to make sure them things bring a harvest. You may see me as an artist and I'm like hardly. My CD speaks of a gardener and he's in need of a partner. With these 3G full of water, then the increase from the Father. So often people play the dirty rotten lawyer. They accept the laws but think they need to augment all of the laws into things that are partial. But if you make the laws, then what we need the law for?